Hello, welcome to class, everyone. This is Learning Based Africa's math class on Monday, 12th of May, 2025. Sorry for coming in late. So let's go ahead and write our date. Let's just start class immediately. Today is Monday, 12th May, 2025. If you can hear me, please type 50 in the chat. If you can hear me, type 50 in the chat. If you can hear me, type 50 in the chat and let's roll it. Now, this is math class. At Learning Based Academy, we recite our self-affirmation. So let's go every day and in every wiser and wiser, smarter and smarter, stronger and stronger, greater and greater, richer and richer, healthier and healthier. I am rich in knowledge. I am the best. Welcome to class, everyone. Now, I want to quickly give you a mental drill. Mental drill, figure this out, everyone. Figure this out. You have just 2 minutes to do that. So figure this out. So if you have this as your mental drill, what will be the next figure? What will be the next figure for A? What will be the next figure for B? All right. So what will be your answer? Let me see. The first thing I want you to post is the answer to A. Okay, post the answer to A. Post the answer to A in the chat. Make sure your name is beside your answer. Make sure your name is beside your answer. Make sure your name is beside your answer, everyone. Tell me the answer to only A. Tell me your answer to only A. Only A. Make sure you follow instruction. Only those who post the answer to A will be called. Make sure your name is beside your answer. All right. Oh, amazing. Amazing. Yes, yes, yes. I can see lots of correct answers for A. Yes, yes, yes. Tomiwa, you are correct. Okay, you have to type in your name so I can call you. Koka, you are correct. Only the answer to A. Chioma is correct. Michael is correct. Tomiwa is correct. Emmanuel Oladiran is correct. Anointed, correct. Joanna, correct. Daniela and Serena, you are correct. Ademide Adejumo, correct. Adachidera, correct. Christabel, correct. Ibrahim Jamil, correct. Twins, correct. I can't see some people's name. Okparinde, Monije Suloluwa, correct. Mmekunfom, correct. Opera, correct. Daniel, correct. Ademide Adejumo, correct. Daniel, correct. Nathan, correct. Faithia, correct. Rebecca, correct. Brella and Michaela, correct. Pascal, correct. Okay. Adebanke, Washagun, peace, correct. Damilare, correct. Covenant, correct. Oye Mike, correct. Shemilore and Okikiola, correct. Ali, correct. Treasure, correct. Ella, Chidima, correct. Golden, correct. Allison Jr., correct. Okay. Christine, correct. All right. What is the answer to B? Post the answer to B in the chat now. Post the answer to B in the chat now, everyone. What is the answer to B? Let's go, let's go. Yes, Oparinde, Moni Jesu Loluwa, your answer is correct, correct. Golden, check your answer again. The answer to B, what is the answer to B? Emmanuel Oladiran, correct. Jamil, correct. Joanna, correct. Tomiwa, correct. Anointed, correct. Ali, correct. Covenant, correct. Mekunform, correct. Daniel and Serena, correct. Adachidera, correct. Ademide Adejumo, correct. Amanda, correct. Ella, correct. Okay. Uthman, Ella, your answer is not correct. Check your answer again and try again. Uthman, correct. You always have to write your name, all right? Rebecca, correct. Daniel, correct. Christine, correct. Oparinde, correct. Nathan, correct. Yanoluwa, check your answer very well and try again. All right? Oluwasegun, peace, correct. Ebubechuku, correct. Ademide Adejumo, all right? Oye Mike, correct. Chioma, correct. Twins and Dara, correct. Christabel, correct. Oprah, correct. Herbert, correct. All right, so for those who do not understand, let me explain. If you look at the first one, you will see that 3 times 4 is 12, but 12 was reversed. The digits were interchanged. The first one became the last, and the last one became the first, became 2, 1, 21. 4 times 4 is 16, but when you reverse the digits, it will become 61. 6 times 3 is 18. When you reverse the digits, it becomes 81. 5 times 7 is 35. When you reverse the digits, it becomes 53. All right, the first digit was written as the last one, and the last digit was written as the first digit. So 6 times 4 is equal to 24. When you reverse the digits, you have 42. So A is 42. Then the next one, 7 times 7 is 49. When you reverse the digits, that will give us 94. So B is 94. That is awesome. Now let's move into the business of this class. So right now we want to talk about equations, solving equations in mathematics. Someone would say that, oh, I know this already. This is very simple. Yes, it is very simple. But as simple as it is, many students fail this topic because there are different dimensions and different methods to knowing this topic or to solving questions under this topic. Now I'm going to give everybody a particular question. Solve it and post your answer in the chat. Solve the equations. Solve the equations. Number 1, minus x plus 5 is equal to minus 9. Everybody pick up your pen, write in your exercise book. I'm giving you the next 20 seconds. Solve this equation and post your answer in the chat with your name beside it. Solve this equation. Post your answer in the chat with your name beside it. So I'm waiting for everyone. Waiting for everyone. Okay, okay. Answers are already coming in. Answers are coming in. Okay. So I'm going to be mentioning those who got the answers right. Tomiwa, your answer is correct. Anointed, correct. Mekunfon, correct. Ganiyu, correct. Uthman, correct. Nathan, correct. Golden, correct. Emmanuel Aledare, correct. Prayer, correct. Latifa, correct. Twins and Dara, correct. Iyanolua, correct. Okparinde, correct. Bright, correct. Tomiwa Adeyemi, correct. Joanna, correct. Sapphire, correct. Nisi, correct. Daniel, correct. Petia, correct. Okay, Daniel, correct. Okay, so you can see that many people got the answer wrong. So that's why we are treating this topic. No matter how well you know it, sometimes you may just forget a particular step. So please pay attention. So at this point, we've been asked to solve x minus x plus 5 is equal to minus 9. So we need to collect like terms. 5 and 9 are like terms, okay? Plus 5 and minus 9 are like terms. So we have to move plus 5 to the right side of the equal sign. When you move plus 5 to the right side, we'll be left with minus x equals, we have minus 9, all right? Then plus 5 goes to the right side of the equal sign, it becomes minus 5. So that will be minus 9 minus 5. So we have minus x is equal to, in mathematics, minus 5 minus 9, or minus 9 minus 5. You add the numbers together and put your minus sign. So minus 9 minus 5 is minus 14. All right, that is minus 14. Now that we've gotten minus 14, now what's happening to x? X is negative, and we have to find the positive value of x, not negative. So for us to take out the minus that is beside x, you should say multiply both sides by minus 1, all right? You should multiply both sides by minus 1. Okay, so that means minus 1 times minus x is equal to minus 14 times minus 1. So anytime you are solving an equation like this and the variable you are to find is negative, just ensure that you multiply both sides by minus 1 so that that negative sign can be dealt with. So minus 1 times minus x will give us x, because minus times minus is plus. Okay, that's because minus times minus is plus. So minus 1 times minus x, that is x, equals minus times minus, right here is plus. 14 times 1 is 14. So the answer is x is equal to 14. So if you got that right, you have 5 points. Okay, you have 5 points. So please write this down in your exercise book now. Everybody write this down in your book now. When you're done writing, please type done in the chat. Type done in the chat. Type done in the chat. If you got the answer and I didn't call your name, it means you did not type your name. Yes, you did not type your name. Ginika Chuku Precious. Is that your name? Even if that is your name, you have to type your name. So if you did not type your name, I would not have called you. All right, let's move on to number 2. Another question for solving equations. Now look at this. We have 1 over 5x is equal to 8 whole number 1 over 4. We are to solve this equation. 1 over 5x is equal to 8 whole number 1 over 4. Okay, so anytime you've been given question like this, we are to solve, all right? So we have 1 over 5x equals 8 whole number 1 over 4. So this is what you are meant to do. X that is right here will be multiplied by the numerator 1. That's 1 over 5 times x, which is equal to, change 8 whole number 1 over 4 to improper fraction, all right? Change the mixed number to improper fraction. Change the mixed number to improper fraction. So 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 1, that will give us 33. So that's 33 over 4. Now multiplying 1 over 5 by x. X times 1 is x, so that is x over 5 equals 33 over 4. Now you can cross multiply. So when you have fraction on the left and fraction on the right, make sure you cross multiply, all right? Make sure you cross multiply. So now x times 4, that is 4x, equals 5 times 33 will give us 165. So for us to find the value of x, we divide both sides by 4. So 4x over 4 equals 165 over 4. So 4 cancels 4, then 4 goes into 165. Okay, 4 goes into 16, or 4 goes into 160, that is 40. Then 4 goes into 160, that will give us 40. Right? Is it 40? No, that will give us 41. All right, so that will give us 41. We have a remainder of 1 over 4. So x is equal to 41 whole number 1 over 4. So please write this down. Once you're done writing, please type down in the chat. Okay, once you're done writing, please type the answer you can see on my screen in the chat. If you're done writing, type the answer that you can see on my screen in the chat quickly. All right, that's a good one. So let's continue with another example. I hope you're getting it because we are going to have a competition among all of you. So let's move on to the next example. That will be example 3. Example 3. Please pay attention to my screen. All right, example 3. Now let's solve this equation. 1 over 4y plus 3 equals 15. Now, when we are dealing with algebra, there is something we call coefficient. I want to make somebody the first VIP of our class this evening. Now, look at this equation. I have 1 over 4y plus 3 equals 15, all right? Now, tell me the coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y? Post it in the chat, everyone. Before we solve this equation, tell me the coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y in this equation? Post your answer and your name in the chat. Post your answer and your name in the chat. What is the coefficient of? I'm going to call only the first 10 people to answer my question. Shefumi, you're correct. Chioma, correct. Joanna, correct. Oprah, correct. Anointed, correct. Somebody didn't type her name. Ibrahim Jamil, correct. You need to type your name. Daniel, correct. Another Daniel, correct. Coefficient of y. Bright, correct. San, correct. Wisdom, correct. Ezekiel, correct. Yes, but you didn't type your name. Is your name Folashade Adeyemi? Your name is not there. Ganiyu, correct. Abdul Fattah, correct. Habib, your answer is not correct. Covenant, correct. Favor, correct. All right. Latifa, correct. Mekunform, correct. Peace, correct. The coefficient of y in this question is 1 over 4. So that will be 1 over 4 times y plus 3 equals 15. So 1 times y, that's y over 4. Move 3 to the other side, plus 3 going to the right side becomes minus 3. So that will be 15 minus 3, all right? So y over 4 is equal to 15 minus 3, that will give us 12, all right? Now that we need y to stand alone, we need y to stand alone. So we have to move 4 to the other side. 4 is dividing y on the left side. 4 is dividing y on the left side. When you move 4 straight to the right side, it will have to multiply. So y is equal to 12 times 4. 12 times 4 is 48. So it means the value of y in this equation is equal to 48. All right, I'm moving on to question 4 because we need to be fast. Moving on to question 4. Solve 10x minus 3 equals 62. 10x minus 3 equals 62. So we need to collect the like terms, and the like terms are minus 3 and 62. So minus 3 goes to the right side. It will become plus 3. And on the left side, we will be left with 10x. So 10x is equal to 62 plus 3. All right, so 10x will be equal to 10x is equal to 65. So let's divide both sides by 10. We need to divide both sides by 10. So x will be equal to 65 divided by 10. The answer is 6.5. All right, the answer to question 4 is 6.5. If you're following, type the answer in the chat, everyone. All right, if you're following, type the answer to question 4 in the chat. Type the answer to question 4 in the chat, everyone. Type the answer to question 4 in the chat. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's good. That's good. So I can see the answer to question 4 from Mekan Adachidera. Only those who typed in their name will be called Ali Ganiu, who is bearing AC. AC is not a name. Please post your full name. Anointed, Bright, Serena, Prayers, Sun, Covenant, Wisdom, Emmanuel Oladiran, Yanwolu, Daniel, Latifa, Daniela, Tomiwa, Chioma, Jamil, Ibrahim, Abdul Fattah, Shefunmi, Herbert, Pascal, Ademide, Adejumo. Okay. Followed by Oyemai, Christine, Princess. Okay. Habib, yes, yes. Habib, Christabel. Okay. Shemilore Anokikiola, Chidima, Peniel, Daniel, Coca, Ademide, Adejumo, Opera, Heritage. Okay. Michaela, Okparinde, Golden, Chidi, Kate. All right, so let's stop there. Now, moving on to question 5. Let's solve question 5 right here. So let us solve this equation. Now, this is a situation whereby I'm going to have two expressions being equal to each other. So I have 5a minus 4 is equal to 7a minus 6. So let us collect the like terms. Now 5a and 7a are the same. So I will have 5a. Bring 7a to the left, it will become minus 7a. Because on the right side, it is plus 7a. On the left side, it will become minus 7a. Now on the right side, we are left with minus 6. And on the left side, minus 4 goes to the other side. This will become plus 4. So that will be plus 4. So 5a minus a is minus 2a. You know, 5 minus 7 is impossible. So that will be minus 2a equals minus 6 plus 4 is the same as saying plus 4 minus 6. That is writing the positive before the negative. So plus 4 minus 6. 4 take away 6 is impossible. You have a negative answer. That's minus 2. Now, to get the value of a, you have to divide both sides by minus 2. All right? You have to divide both sides by minus 2 so that a can stand alone. So that will be minus 2 divided by minus 2. Minus cancels minus is plus. 2 cancels 2, that's 1. So a is equal to 1. All right. So I hope you got that. All right. So I hope you are ready. I hope you are writing down what we are doing in the class. Now, first question. Solve. Solve minus 4m plus 5 to 3m minus 9. 4m plus 5 is equal to 3m minus 9. As soon as you get your answer, post it in the chat and ensure you post your name beside it. Post your answer and your name in the chat now. What is the value of m? What is the value of m? Yes, post your answer and your name in the chat. We are waiting for everyone. Oh, amazing. I can see some answers. Waiting for others to post their answers. Okay, so for those who posted the correct answer, let's see. Mekan, correct. Adachidera, correct. Okparinde, correct. Daniela, correct. Daniel, correct. Shefumi, correct. Favor, correct. Daniel, correct. Tomiwa, correct. Opera, Pascal, correct. Golding, correct. Uthman, correct. Ali, correct. Habib, correct. Covenant, correct. San, correct. Christine, correct. Ganiu, correct. The answer is correct. Yanwolua, correct. Jamil, correct. Chidim, correct. Judith Odo, correct. Oye Mike, correct. Mekuform, correct. Nisi, correct. Okay. Chidima, correct. Joanna, Heritage, Daniel, correct. Nisi, correct. Kate, correct. Christabel, Anointed, your answer is correct. So let's do it together, everyone. So let's collect the like terms. Minus 4m, 3m. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going, because I want my m to be positive, so I'll move my minus 4m to the right side. Then I'll bring my minus 9 to meet with plus 5 on the left side. So on the left side, I'll have plus 5. Bring minus 9 to the left, it becomes plus 9. Is equal to 3m. All right, that is equal to 3m. Then take minus 4m to the other side, it becomes plus 4m. So 5 plus 9 is 14, equals 7m plus 4m, that is 3m plus 4m will give us 7m. Sorry. All right, so right now we need to divide both sides by 7. 7m is equal to 14. So let's divide both sides by 7. I'm going to continue right here. Let's divide both sides by 7. So we have m is equal to 14 over 7. M is equal to 2, because 2 goes into 7 is 7 goes into 7 is 1, and 7 goes into 14 is 2. So the answer is 2. So if your answer is correct, make sure you give yourself 5 points. All right? Give yourself 5 points. Now, next VIP question number 2. Solve. Let me see who's going to get this answer right. X over 5 plus 1 over 4 equals 1 over 2. Everybody solve this. Post your answer and your name in the chat. Make it fast. See who gets the right answer. We are going to x. We are to find the value of. If you cannot see my screen, if you can't see my screen, please leave the class and come back to class using the same link. Solve the equation and tell me your answer. All right, so what is the correct answer? You need to take answers. Yes, yes, yes. Waiting for everybody. Down of 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so Adachi Dera's answer is correct. Maureen, Mekan Boy, you are correct. Kel, correct. Victor, your answer is correct. Yanwolua, correct. Okay. Favor, correct. Daniel, correct. Is Daniel correct? No. Daniel, that's by Onobanjo. Your answer is not correct. Ganiyu, correct. You have to always type in your name, please. Prayer, correct. Oparinde, correct. Mekun correct. Adeyemi, correct. Nisi, correct. Abdul Fattah, correct. Okay, Christabel, Kate, Wisdom, correct. Chidima, correct. Emmanuel, correct. Yes, yes, yes. So if you typed one whole number before, your answer is correct. Give yourself 5 points. Now, to solve this type of equation, we need to find the LCM of the denominators. Find the LCM of the denominators. Find the LCM of the denominators. So the LCM is equal to 20, okay? LCM of 5, 4, and 2. Multiply each fraction by 20. That is 20 bracket x over 5 plus 20 into bracket 1 over 4 equals 20 into bracket 1 over 2. So 2 goes into 2, that's 1. 2 into 20, that's 10. 4 into 4 is 1. 4 into 20 is 5. 5 into 20 is 4. So 4 times x is 4x plus 5 times 1, that is 5, equal 10 times 1, that is 10. Collect like terms. 4x is equal to 10 minus 5. All right, let's continue right here. 4x is equal to 5. Divide both sides by 4. X is equal to 5 over 4. Number that will be one whole number 1 over 4 or 5. So for today, we are going to end solving equations. In the next class, we'll be solving more equations that have to do with fractions. So if you got question 1 correctly, you have 5 points. If you got number 2 correctly, you have another 5 points. So altogether, that will make 6 points. All right, so that will make 10 points rather. So how many points do you have? Go ahead, post them in the comment section.